Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jack and Amma. I'm Jack, your English teacher.
And I'm Amma, the student who makes all the mistakes so you don't have to.
Today's video is a little different. Amma is going to test me for once.
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Why do you sound so excited? Should I be worried?
I'm going to show you my real WhatsApp messages, the ones I send my friends every day.
Okay, I teach English for a living, Amma. I think I can handle a few text messages.
Haha, that's exactly what everyone says before this video.
Now I'm worried.
You should be, because today we're not learning textbook English. We're learning the real English people use online, Gen Z slang.
I feel like I'm walking into a trap.
You are. Let's go. Okay, here's a real message I sent my friend yesterday. Read it out loud.
That outfit is low-key fire. No cap. I'm so jealous, Bestie. Wait. Is your friend's outfit on fire? Should we call someone?
No, nobody's outfit is on fire.
Then why does it say fire?
And what does no cap mean? Is there supposed to be a hat involved? Oh my gosh, Jack, this is amazing. Keep going. Read the next one.
Okay. IKR, she's low-key the bestie for a. Amma, I don't think this is English anymore.
It is. It's just a different dialect. Let's fix this, Professor.
Please, save me.
Okay, let's start with the word that broke your brain. Fire.
The thing that burns?
In slang, fire means something is really good, really cool, or impressive. So that outfit is fire means the outfit looks amazing.
Oh, so nothing was actually burning.
Nothing was burning, Jack.
Okay. So if I say this lesson is fire, that means...
That means the lesson is really good. See, you're already getting it.
I am simultaneously proud and terrified.
Next, no cap. This one confuses everyone at first.
I assumed it meant there was no hat involved.
No cap means I'm not lying, or seriously, for real.
Oh, so if I say I love teaching, no cap, that means I genuinely mean it?
Exactly. And the opposite is cap, which means a lie. That's cap means that's not true.
This is like learning an entirely new vocabulary.
Welcome to my world, teacher.
Next on my list of confusion, low-key and high-key. What is a key doing in a sentence?
No keys involved. Low-key means a little bit, or secretly. High-key means very much, or obviously.
So I low-key love this video means...
It means you kinda love it, a little secretly.
And I high-key love this video?
That means you really love it. No secrets about it.
Oh, this actually makes sense. I'm shocked.
Next, bestie. This one's easier, but people use it differently than you'd think.
That one I know. Best friend, right?
Yes, but it's also used casually, even for someone who isn't your actual best friend. Like, thanks, bestie, to a stranger who helped you.
Ah, so it's friendly, not always literal.
Exactly. You're getting good at this.
And finally, for this round, IKR. What letters are even these?
It's short for I know right, used when you totally agree with something.
Oh, so if you say this weather is crazy and I say IKR?
That means you completely agree. You could also just say IKR by itself.
Wow, texting really does have its own grammar rules.
Quick recap. Fire means something really good. No cap means not lying, seriously. Low-key and high-key mean a little bit or very much. Bestie means friend, and IKR means I know right.
Okay, I think my brain is adjusting. Let's keep going.
Let's continue. These next ones are even more common online.
I'm ready, I think.
Next, FRFR. Two of the same word on purpose.
Is that a typo? Did you mean to type 4 twice?
It's short for real, basically emphasizing that you really mean something.
Oh, so it's like no cap, but even stronger?
Exactly. I'm tired, FRFR, means you're really, truly tired.
The repetition is the emphasis. That's actually clever.
Next, it's giving. This phrase confuses so many learners.
Giving what? Giving gifts?
No gifts. It's giving means it has the vibe of, or it reminds me of. Like, this outfit is giving 90s fashion.
Oh, so it means the outfit looks like it's from the 90s?
Exactly. Or this restaurant is giving 5-star vibes.
It's giving. I think I can actually use this one.
Next, you have to explain slay. I hear this constantly and have no idea what it means.
Slay means doing something really well, looking amazing, or succeeding at something.
Oh, so if someone says you slayed that presentation, it means you did an excellent job. No actual slaying involved, don't worry. Phew, good, because I was concerned.
Next, Rizz. This one is newer, but it's everywhere.
That sounds like a sound effect, not a word.
Ha ha ha! Rizz means charisma, especially the ability to attract someone you like. He's got Rizz means he's charming and smooth.
So, I have 0 Rizz?
I didn't say that, Jack. That's between you and your audience.
Okay, I'm choosing to believe I have Rizz.
And finally, Delulu.
This sounds made up.
It is kind of made up. It's a playful, shortened version of delusional, used when someone believes something unrealistic, but in a fun way.
Oh, so if I say, I think I'll finish grading papers in 5 minutes.
That, Jack, is extremely Delulu.
Haha, fair. Very fair.
Full recap. Fire, no cap, Lowkey and Highkey, Bestie, Iker, Fur, It's Giving, Slay, Rizz, and Delulu.
Congratulations, Jack. You just survived Gen Z English 101.
I feel like I should get a certificate.
Okay, final test. I'm going to send you a message, and you have to reply using slang.
Oh no!
This new English video is so good, no cap.
Iker? It's Lowkey fire?
Jack, that was perfect!
Wait, did I really just say Lowkey fire correctly?
You did! One more. I think I aced that English test.
That's giving main character energy. You really slayed it for real.
Whoa! Who taught you that?
I'm a fast learner. No cap.
I'm low-key impressed. High-key impressed, actually.
Okay, now let's test you watching at home. We'll say a slang word and you guess the meaning before we answer.
Question 1. What does no cap mean?
Correct answer? I'm not lying. Seriously.
Question 2. What does it's giving mean?
Correct answer? It has the vibe of, or it reminds me of.
Question 3. If someone has Rizz, what does that mean?
Correct answer? They have charisma or charm.
Question 4. What does Delulu mean?
Correct answer? Playfully delusional, believing something unrealistic.
How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below.
If you got all 4, you officially have more Rizz than me. No cap.
And that's a wrap. Today, Jack survived his hardest lesson yet. My WhatsApp messages.
I learned 10 Gen Z slang words, and somehow I'm still standing.
Barely. But you slayed it for real,
See? I'm basically fluent now.
If this video helped you understand your group chats a little better, let us know in the comments. And tell us which slang word confuses you the most.
And please, like this video. Share it with a friend who's confused by their texts too. and subscribe if you haven't already.
In our next video, Jack is going to attempt reading Gen Z Twitter comments. Pray for him.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember,
English with Jack and Amma, where every lesson is a new adventure. Bye-bye.